What's going on? Mic check, mic check. See what's going on here. Microphone connected. Okay, there we good. So hey, what's going on? We're back at New Hampshire Supreme Court to do a quick little audit. Make sure I got these keys. And conduct my business, really, and obviously audit the conducting of my business. So just give me a second here. Keys, pens. Sure, I don't have anything I shouldn't have. Here we go. Let's see if they hit the panic alarm this time. It's been a rough start to the day. I had to rent a vehicle to get out here because my alternator went, and yeah. Hey, what's going on? Just gonna drop off a brief here, or a motion, whatever.
Seriously?
Seriously, what? Oh, of course. Hopefully you don't hit the panic alarm again.
I got to.
No, you don't.
You're doing something wrong, man.
No, I'm not doing anything wrong. Remember that officer was here last time? She
I
correct-
know,
She told
I
you
know.
I'm
All
allowed
right.
to do this. There's no law.
You got to go.
No, I don't.
Okay.
We can go through this
You're,
again.
you're trespassing. You got to
No,
go.
I'm not.
Okay.
We just went through this last time. I don't know why you have to do this, sir. You're really starting to become a problem. What's your name?
You are.
No, I'm not.
you
I'm
are
not
the
doing
problem.
anything wrong. State police has been here 4 times already. I don't know why you think it would be any different.
Yeah, this is New Hampshire Supreme Court here. I have Frank Staples here trying to film and refusing to leave when I told him he's
I'm
trespassing.
trying to conduct business. That's what I'm trying to do.
New Hampshire Supreme. 1 Charles Dell. Thank you. Yep. Yes. Yes. 603-415-6735. Thank you.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, good. How was you?
All right. Running into another issue here.
It is a little day out there.
It is a miserable day. My alternator went. I had to rent a vehicle to get out here. So, like, I'm here conducting business.
I get it.
All right. Well, I don't think you do because you're denying me access. Why
I'm
are
not
you
denying you
why?
access.
So why are you denying me access? You don't want it because you don't know why.
I know why.
No, you don't know why.
Because you're filming.
Because I'm filming.
You're filming.
And that's a First Amendment protected activity, sir. You don't care about that, do you? Obviously not.
Oh, totally about the First Amendment.
Oh, you. Well, then why are you not allowing me to film?
First Amendment doesn't give you the right to film it.
Of course it does. Of course it does. You need to do your research.
I know. As do you.
Oh, I won a federal lawsuit against this state. I successfully prosecuted, okay? For a violation of my civil rights. I was held in solitary confinement for 2.5 years for refusing to shave my beard on religious grounds. okay? So don't test me, and don't try to credential me. I know more than most lawyers do.
I'm sure you do.
Oh, I do.
But there's one thing you're missing.
How many times have I been arrested and charged with things and then been found not guilty?
Don't know.
For protesting in front of the governor's house,
Don't know.
calling cops bootlickers,
How many times?
quite a few, okay? And I was arrested for disorderly conduct for speaking in a voice like this. So is this disorderly conduct?
No, you're fine.
I know. Well, I don't know why, and that's what I'm appealing right now, is the guy said, I'm gonna arrest you for disorderly conduct, if you don't stop. I said, if I don't stop, what? I'm gonna arrest you if you don't stop. If I don't stop, what? And then he arrested me for disorderly conduct. So what did I do? And that's why I'm here. I can't even file this appeal because the lower court didn't file a decision on the merits with findings of facts and rulings of law. I can't file a brief and I can't appeal this illegal conviction or unjust conviction without a findings of facts and rulings of law and a decision on the merits. So why would the lower court not file something like that? To mess with me and to give me a hard time because you guys like the status quo and just telling people what to do when you don't even know what you're telling them to do. Because it's not a lawful order. Have you given me a lawful order?
I have.
What?
I told you trespassing and leaving, that's all.
I'm not trespassing though. That's the thing.
If you've been asked to leave, you are.
No, that's not. You guys did it though. You guys just did this like a week ago.
Right. Yep.
Remember what happened?
Yep.
The officer educated you guys.
Believe me, this is as much of a pain in the neck as it is for us as it was for you.
So I'm
So,
assuming
and we've
that
been
you're being
told-
told to do this every time.
Yes.
So you're being forced to do this, so you have no choice. Even if you wanted to let me through, you're being told by one of your superiors, who's telling you to do this every time. So you guys can document my, my behavior. Why do you think I do this? To document it for real, to document everybody's behavior for full transparency. And you like the First Amendment, but you don't like the transparency.
Couple of things. First of all, you don't listen at all to what anybody else has to say.
I'm not going to listen to an unlawful, unconstitutional command.
I wasn't about to say anything like that. But at one point, I was the highest elected libertarian in the country of the United States. So I'm as radical as you are, probably far more. But the thing is, the thing is, I don't think you're advancing your cause. I can't even discern what your cause is.
My cause is to nullify unconstitutional laws.
And you succeeded
It's
in
called
doing that?
Yes, I've done it this will be the 5th time here. I just did it last time. The 9th and 10th Amendment, I suggest you go and check it out.
Yeah.
It's the nullification of unconstitutional laws, okay? And this is enshrined in the First Amendment. Freedom of press. Freedom of press, okay? You don't believe in freedom of press?
I totally believe in it. I don't think
Okay,
I
well
ever
then that's what I'm
anymore.
doing.
Yeah. But so the key to your getting ahead is to come in and try and advance your cause by lecturing
No.
two
No.
CSOs.
My purpose is to come here and show you guys that this practice of saying that we're not allowed to film, and it doesn't even cite any sort of RSA or law or rule or anything, right? It's unconstitutional, it's illegal, and it has zero force of law. Zero force of law, okay? Not only have I done this 5 times here now, but I've done this all over the state, in Brentwood, in Concord District, Manchester. So, and I always get through. I always conduct my business. Might take a while, but I always do, just like last time. But for some reason, you're insisting that this time will be different. But no, I gotta give you credit. You did admit that you're being told to do this. Who's telling you to do this? The AG? Or your direct supervisor? Or is it the governor? Or is it one of the judges? I need to know. I'd like to file a complaint. I'd like to file a FOIA request on that.
Yeah.
So are you making that up?
Why would you even expect me to talk to you?
Because you're a public servant, sir, and I'm asking you
I'm supposed
legitimate
to answer
questions.
any question you have.
Legitimate questions regarding the functioning of this state government, yes. Because you work for me. You do. All power is derived from the people. And my consent.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it works. That's how it works. You don't understand how much people appreciate what I do.
I'm telling you about that.
Go to my YouTube channel and check it out.
My YouTube channel.
Yeah. Absolute defiance. And you might figure it out. You might learn something. Look in the comments and see how much support I get. How much people appreciate me holding my public servants accountable. Yeah. Nobody else is doing it.
Yeah.
Nobody else is doing it. I'm not one of these First Amendment auditors who makes money off their channel. My channel's not monetized. I have my own business. Okay? I do this on principle. You should understand that as a libertarian.
What business is that?
What?
What business is that?
Humble House.
What was that?
It is a transitional living program for people in recovery. I got out of prison in 2015. I started working for Manchester Mental Health in Hope, New Hampshire. I volunteer for Smart Recovery. I provide services, free service to the community, the recovery community, and the homeless community. And I opened a transitional living program. And it's been open for 5 years.
Very quick.
Thank you. That's what I do. That's what I would like to continue to do. But I got involved in all this stuff when the COVID restrictions were not allowing me to host meetings without a mask because of the governor's executive order. And I'm not going to be able to exist in a society of tyranny. Non-compliance is the only answer. It's true. That's what my channel's all about. That's what I do.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of law enforcement friends,
I have no doubt.
just for the record.
No doubt.
And they respect me because my word holds weight. I have integrity. I'm honest. When I say something, it's been done. So yeah, I just seen them pull out back.
Oh, so we get through here. That's everything?
That's everything.
Yeah, you can through. You're all set.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Good, how about you?
Good, good. I'm recorded just so you know.
Did I see, I thought I seen you in Nashville.
No, I was born in Nashville, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
53 minutes.
Trying to place anything on the furniture. Let me make sure this is all set. All right. Cannot believe that. So at least we know it's not him. It is his superior telling him to do this so that they can document. this, and that's an attachment. Copies. Right.
You're right, you know. State started helping me with the land. They shut that down. I'm still trying to. I have not found a place yet to do it.
Hi, how you doing? I have a couple motions to file. I don't know if they have to go like in a specific order or anything, but this is the exemption from electronic filing.
Okay,
I would assume that that's the other part of it.
okay.
And then I have this, and then this is an attachment to this.
Okay.
And if I could get copies, could I get 2 copies of each?
We only do
do
one
one?
courtesy copy if
Okay,
that's
that's
okay
fine,
with you.
that's
Okay,
fine.
sure. All right, just give me one moment. I'll get that for you.
Thank you
okay?
so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
I said I paid all the rent for December, 5 weeks. I'm trying to think, September, October, November,
Unbelievable.
September, October.
I got
I wanna go
to
before they close.
got to figure out who's giving these orders. That's for sure. This is a high chest of drawers.
September, 29th?
Walnut, probably made in Massachusetts, 1700 to 1725. Elaborate veneering, thin construction, and fragile turnings of this early 18th century high chest are in dramatic contrast to the solidity of the paneled oak furniture of the preceding century. This new type of furniture, produced by urban cabinet makers whose specialty was veneering, reflects the more established nature of New England society by this date. Yeah, it's not the best quality looking thing in my opinion, but it is nice. Interesting little
Let me get some of this paperwork.
knobs.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lawyer.
All right, you are all set, and we'll get
Awesome.
that docketed for you. Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
All right,
You're
take
the
care.
best. You have a good night. Thank you. Right. See, quick and painless.
Beautiful bureau, huh?
Yeah. I love all the old architecture, the state buildings, the library down there and everything. It's one of my favorites. All right, so that copy. Got to get this to the AG and
543.
then try to get to Newfields and actually Concord District as well. I have time. Hey, what's going on? How much? See you later. Take care. You too. Thank you. Oh, so I'm curious if you can tell me who's forcing this guy to stop me and go through this rigmarole every time?
Sure. Well, dude, Frank, I'm here now, and we'll check that for you.
It's because the woman who was here last time was told him like hit the panic button. That was the 4th time. This is the 5th time, and like I have a right to conduct my business. I have a right to film. There is no law behind this thing. He needs to understand that, and the rest of the court system needs to understand that. And maybe one of the judges needs to rescind that order or something.
So-
I don't know.
Whatever, maybe, it will change here today, but we're taking steps, man. We're taking
I
steps.
appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank
Yep.
you so much.
Appreciate it.
Take care. So yeah, That's how it's done. He was all right, even though I'm pretty sure that guy arrested me before. I can't remember. It's hard to keep track of all this stuff. I think he was the bootlicker guy, the bootlicker FAFO guy. I'm not sure. I have to go back and watch that video again. But anyways, he was all right, and they're looking into it. And you guys can see this rental I had to get. It's actually pretty nice. Some Texas plates. Nice Hemi. It's pretty fast. So I'm rolling in style right now. And on to the next thing. Here we go. All right. We're here at 33 Capitol Street, Department of Justice. See if I can talk to this guy, this attorney general, prosecutor, whatever the hell he is, about the case. At least I'll drop this thing off. You see, right? Department of Injustice. We'll see.
Hi, this is John at reception. I've got someone at PATH. They have a person who's on conditional discharge bail from the hospital there. They want to do the notification. They said they're supposed to contact us. But the person, you know, did some criminal something. That's why they're in that situation. They're supposed to let us know about changing up their location. I'm assuming that goes to you guys. It does not.
It's a nice tapestry back there.
That's what.
Old man in the mountain.
That's what she said on the information that it went to criminal. Or that it went to the AGs. I forget what going to criminal. That's what.
I'll go. Give this guy some privacy. I don't know what the hell he's talking about. We got the old Shmoo Cookie Monster. And then his former personal attorney, yes, this guy, who is now the Attorney General, was this guy, the governor's personal attorney. And he appointed him Attorney General. And he appointed the former Attorney General McDonald as Chief Justice of our Supreme Court. And he never served on a bench. Isn't that interesting? Not sure how he was qualified to be Chief Justice, but it is what it is. And we have in here, we have the business office, victims compensation unit, grants management team. They got to get their grants, you know, they got to stay funded. Consumer Protection and Antitrust Bureau, Charitable Trust Unit, Medicaid Fraud Control Unit, Criminal Justice Bureau, Appellate Section, General Litigation Section, Homicide Prosecution Unit, Investigation Section, Office of the Victim, Witness Assistance, Attorney General, Civil Law Bureau, Environmental Protection Bureau, Transportation and Construction Bureau, Living Treasures Gallery. That's interesting. I wonder what that is. Living Treasures Gallery. I wonder if we can have a tour of that. That would be cool. Let's see. Wait for this guy to be done. I still can't believe well, I can't say that guy. It's not that guy. He's just following orders, of course, right? Just following orders. So it's interesting. I'd like to know where those orders are coming from. Yep. All right, looks like he's wrapping up here. Come on. All right, cool. I think we're good. Hey, how's it going? I have this for Sam. Is it Gagne? Sam Gagne?
Yeah, you can.
Is
drop
it
that.
possible that I could see him if he has a chance? I'm trying to see if he will assent to this motion or not. I could leave my number too. If, I don't know.
What's your name, just so I can?
Frank Staples.
Let me see if I can.
Because it said to try to talk to them and get them to assent to the motion first, if possible. I didn't know any other way to do it.
Let me see if I can get a hold of someone and see if they want to do that or not. I'm assuming you've been in contact already, but you wanted to.
Well, I don't have his phone number or anything.
Yeah, but you must have been working on something, I'm assuming.
Yeah, I got an appeal in the Supreme Court.
Okay. Oh,
So-
it's to do with an appeal.
Yeah, I have an issue. The lower court didn't file a decision on the merits, and I can't really file an appeal without it.
I see what you're saying.
So I didn't know I had to ask for one, and then the thing got dismissed. So I'm trying to,
Okay.
yeah,
Let me just see if I can get a hold of someone there.
appreciate it.
Yep. Hi, this is John at reception. I have Frank Staples here who's dropping off something for Sam Gagne, and he was wondering if he could speak to him. Oh, okay. I will do that then. All right, thank you. Yep. Try one more person here. Hi, Lynn. This is John. I got Frank Staples here dropping off something for Sam Gagne, and he was wondering if Sam would be able to speak with him about something. Okay, all right. Okay. Looking into it. If just hang tight for a minute, I'll call
Sure.
you back. Okay?
All right, thank you so much. So yeah, would be nice to talk to this guy and explain to him the situation, because I'm sure he would understand the quandary and would be, you know, hopefully willing to agree to wait to get this decision on the merits so that we can see what's going on with this case and to see if it was legit or not. So what time is it? 2:26. Take me. So I can go to Concord District next, get a couple things, and I might be able to fly out to Brentwood in time to drop something off there. Doesn't look like she wants to talk to me. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's him or not.
I guess she's not available right now.
Of course.
I took what you dropped off, and it does have your number on it, so if they need to contact you.
Yeah,
If your pro say they can do that, that's what they just said, so.
Excellent. Yeah, I'd appreciate just explaining what the deal is with it. If he could give me a call, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, I mean, he'll look at it and do, I'm not sure what he'll do, but.
Could you let him know I'd like a call, if
Okay,
possible?
Yeah, I'll send that, I'll give him that message.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Okay, that's that. On to the next. On to the next one. All right, here we are. Concord District Court. Gonna see how these people respect our right to the freedom of press, First Amendment, and being able to record. Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
Just gonna drop something off at the clerk.
All the guys
Grab a
who-
couple things.
Okay, you're not recording, are you?
I always record, sir.
Okay.
And then I was just at the Supreme Court, state police.
You're all
so
set.
You
Go
know what
ahead,
it is.
Frank.
They're trying to
Okay.
figure it out.
Go ahead, Frank.
You all set?
Go set.
Thank you. Supposedly, state police is talking to the judge who made this illegal order.
There you go.
And that's supposed to be Oh, sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it, it's okay. That was not a malicious intent.
No, I know. Thank you. Hopefully we can get this thing settled sooner than later.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Thank you.
That's an allergy to work, you know.
Is that what it is?
I had it for decades, oh, believe me. How much do you need, man?
You're all set.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
I gotta go back. I brought the wrong thing in.
Okay.
I gotta get my other one. Sorry about that.
No problem.
Just gonna leave that right here. Just gonna leave this here. So I don't. Oh, I need the keys. Good, thanks.
Hey there.
Hi, how's it going?
Can I do for you?
I would like copies of the docket for all these,
What do you mean by the docket?
like all the things that were filed, the whole history of it all.
Okay. So
I
it's
don't know.
50 cents a page.
That's fine.
All right, so, why don't you leave your information, when it's ready, we'll get it to you.
Okay.
All right, so just put your name and phone number down there. We'll have you pay for it over the phone, and then we'll make the copies for you. May I help you?
Just dropping off some complaints.
Okay.
And any chance of getting the copy of docket for Friday, so I get ready for arraignments? If it's ready or whatever.
Did I send it out last week?
Was it last week? Did you send it out for next week? I'll double check. And it's been a rough holiday. Between the power outages and
No, I
everything.
don't think that I did.
Do you want me to write down all the docket numbers? Or the charging IDs, or do you want me to just give you these?
Is it for your case?
This is for my case, yeah.
Yeah, just write down how many docket numbers do you have.
Well, I guess it's the case number has a few different charging IDs.
Oh, yeah, no, you don't need to list the different charge IDs.
Oh, okay.
Just one docket number will cover everything.
Okay, thank you.
I think I did. Because
Okay.
Did I talk about, in the email, I talked about, the courts being closed on certain Wednesdays from 8 to 10?
Yeah, that
It's
email had
attached
it?
to that email.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, all right, thank you. Hello.
Hi, all kiosks.
Great, thank you. Yeah.
21 CR 03 652.
Okay.
Yeah, is there any other things that I can get regarding the case, or is it just the docket stuff?
What do you want? You can have everything in the case.
Yeah, could I have everything in the
Yeah, you
case?
can have everything in the case, yeah. It's
Yeah.
all public record.
All right, I
So, but it
appreciate
is 50 cents a page. There's a lot of stuff in there.
You can't do digital?
I can't know, but I can give you the case and you can take pictures of it.
All right, I could go through it, see what I want,
Yeah.
type thing.
Yeah.
All right, could we do that?
When is it scheduled? It's scheduled for March, right?
It's scheduled for March.
Yeah. So, I don't really have time to do it for you right now. Usually like Wednesday mornings are a good time. We don't usually have criminal court and it's pretty quiet. That's a good time to come in, although starting tomorrow, every other Wednesdays, the court will be closed from 8 to 10. But tomorrow's still a good time after 10.
Tomorrow after 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just pull the files and you can bring your camera and you can take pictures of everything. That way you don't have to pay for it, because there's a lot of those motions that the state filed and that.
Probably
you
are
filed
unnecessary,
and
yeah.
that There's a lot, and they're probably, well, actually, those might not be in your cases, because they weren't representing you when they filed those.
Yeah, so it's confusing because there were things that were filed on one of these other cases
Yeah.
in the middle of another case, so there's like a crossing of the dockets or something, and I'm
Yeah.
just trying to figure it out.
Yeah, so why don't you plan on tomorrow after 10?
Okay, excellent.
right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Have a good day, gentlemen. Thank you. So, as we can see, we are making progress with the filming, etc. This guy showed up here. Hold on. Pretty sure this is the same guy. 433. I'm not sure. We're gonna see if that's that bootlicker guy. See if he's here. Just making sure. I was seeing if they called you for me.
No.
Yeah,
No, I'm the court guy. I'm just dropping off
Yeah, no,
paperwork,
I
picking
just
stuff up.
recognized you. This is cool. I was checking.
I recognize you too. How you been?
Good. How you been?
Good holiday?
Good holiday, you know, same
Lose
old.
power.
Same
I
old.
lost power for like 2 days.
Oh man, it was bad. Yeah. But,
Anyway,
yeah.
not here for you, man.
Cool now. I was just checking. Thank you. Have a good one. Might be. I don't think it was that guy either. So. Yeah, no, he's cool. I dealt with that guy before. It's not the bootlicker guy. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow, and right now I'm gonna try to get to Newfields and Brentwood. Signing off. All right. I got here to Brentwood, and of course I forgot to get another copy. They didn't give me 2 copies at the Supreme Court, and I meant to get a copy at the Attorney General to bring here to drop off. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I don't even know if I need to, but here I am. So I'm headed to Newfields Police Department right now to drop off a copy of this motion that I have to do. So that's the last and final stop for today, hopefully. All right, we're here, Newfields Town Hall Police Station. Looks like they got some sort of something going on. Excuse me.
Market.
Hi, how you doing? I have a document to hand deliver.
It's 420.
Hi.
Hi, I just answered the door. I'm all set.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. May I help you?
Yes, I just need to drop that off.
Perfect. Thank you.
Awesome.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much. So that was the end of this long day. Quite a shit show. My car didn't work. Had to get this stupid rental. It was fun though. We made a lot of progress with obviously many of these courts are already on board and these guys are cool and they know, but it's the higher ups that are trying to maintain this illegal practice saying that we're not allowed to film. So that's going to get rectified one way or the other, and that's that. That's how it's done. 9th and 10th Amendment, nullification of unconstitutional laws, civil disobedience, non-compliance is the answer. It's the solution. It's the only solution, and it starts with the individual. If you're not willing to defy and not give your consent, then you're going to keep getting what you're getting, taken advantage of. So, with that, signing off. Thanks, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that lesson on civil disobedience and nullification.